Hi guys, in today's video we're going to walk you through another case study how you can use the AI generator from Bing Image Creator. This is very easy tool that you can simply comprehend utilizing the power of Dalio. We previously used it to create current cities in the future, cities in the sky. We use it to create mock-ups for business ideas and prototypes for business products. In this example, we essentially going to go even further and we're going to create a completely new elements that simply doesn't exist in our society. For example, over here, if you're first time come over here on the examples and the ideas that are underneath, you will see that when you actually put your finger on each of the images, you will see what was inputted as a prompt. So for example, they inputted a realistic still life painting of a some particular fruits and vegetables. On next one is a waterfall that flows with a hidden cave into a crystal clear pool. So I hope you get the idea. You want to make sure that you are as detailed as possible, because every additional word means that you are going to add or ask the AI to add additional element on the image, which make it even more unique. The next one over here, a picture of fall landscape with trees, mountains and river, except the trees are You see what I'm even saying? So in our example over here, guys, we are going to take a look and we're going to create the best beaches with a lot of palm trees in Manhattan, New York. Make the palms green and tall, and the beaches wide and with yellow sand. Include water sports around in the river, like para sailing and wind surfing. Well guys, we're about to have a lot of fun. I just feel it. Just imagine Manhattan with a lot of parasailing, with a lot of palm trees around the island. This is what I imagine. Let's see what the AI will imagine. And like you saw in my example, I utilize a plenty of imagination, plenty of wording, plenty of positioning of the words, and this is what we came from. Click on the first image, guys, and this is absolutely amazing. Tell me that you're not really excited and you're not like, wow, man, can you imagine this would be the city? Absolutely stunning, guys. So if you come over here on the next one, wow, look at this parasailing. You got jet skis, you got sailings, you got kayaking. This is really cool. This is like a video game, like a GTI. How about this one here? This is what I meant, guys. You see, if I didn't include that we want to have a yellow sand and tall palm trees and sailing boats all around the place and parasailing, right, you're not gonna end up getting the whole picture in one. This looks like a Miami, you see, with the channels here of water. This is amazing. This is what I meant over here, guys. You gotta respect the hustle, you gotta respect the ideas of people and the vision. That's the main lesson over here. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and of course like this video.